Diet Coke may be causing cancer, and this is according to the World Health Organization. Its cancer research arm reviewed aspartame. It's a white, odorless powder, a low-calorie artificial sweetener. It is added to Diet Coke. It is the very ingredient that makes the soda sugar-free. But for the first time, it is set to be declared a possible cancer risk to humans. While the news of death by Diet Coke is making waves, I should tell you that this is not the only product that uses aspartame. The sweetener has been widely used since the 1980s. It is on restaurant tables, in our home kitchens, and our fizzy drinks, chewing gums, cereals, and even cough drops. Remember when cigarettes were sold as something healthy? Maybe this is a case of déjà vu with the sweetener too. For decades, aspartame has served as a miracle of modern science. It let us have our cake and eat it too. But now maybe it's time to face the bitter truth.